If your toilet's trip lever inside the tank breaks, it can totally mess up flushing and cause annoying leaks or clogs. So, here's the deal. First, turn off the water supply to the toilet to avoid any unwanted flooding, Then, flush the toilet to empty out most of the water in the tank so you're not working in a splash zone. Grab a replacement trip lever that matches your toilet model. They're usually super cheap and easy to find at hardware stores or online. Next, remove the old broken trip lever by loosening the mounting nut inside the tank. It usually just twists off by hand or with pliers. Slide the new trip lever into place, making sure it lines up with the flush chain or lift wire attached to the flapper. Tighten that mounting nut, but don't crank it too hard or you could crack the tank. Adjust the chain length so there's just a little slack when the handle is down, but not so much that it won't lift the flapper fully when you flush. Finally, turn the water back on and test the flush a few times. If it feels weak or sticks, tweak the chain or lever position till it's smooth. One of the biggest headaches with broken trip levers is improper installation, causing weak flushes or constant running water, which wastes a lot of water and money. The fix? Make sure that chain isn't too tight or too loose, and that the lever moves freely without binding against the tank wall. Another common problem is buying the wrong type of trip lever for your toilet model, which means it won't fit right or connect properly to the flapper. The easy solution is to take your old lever with you when shopping or check your toilet brand and model number online before buying a replacement. Lastly, forgetting to turn off the water supply before working inside the tank can lead to surprise floods and a big mess. Just remember to shut off that valve behind the toilet first. It saves you from panic and cleanup. BigHomeProjects.com is great for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without all the hassle and stress. If you are a contractor looking to get more work, it helps you connect with people who actually need your services, making it easier to grow your business.